to getting the onion seedlings. The first method is, there are two methods to getting the onion seedlings. The first method is take your onion, the one you have at home that you want to use, just cut the base, allow it to have small flesh, cut the base like this. You can use the rest for your pepper or whatever you want to do. Remove the cloth or the dry part. Remove it, don't allow it to spoil the root. Remove the dry part as I've removed. Then get small container that can hold it. Put water in that container, as you can see it, fill it up, and drop the onion on top of it, just like this, and it will be there for between 3 to 4 days. You can see the one I did before. You can see they are already sprouting. You can see they are already sprouting. You can see sprouting. If you leave this one like this, within 7 days to 9 days, they are ready for replanting. Then get your sack or your permanent place you want to plant them. They will have sprouted very well. Then you start planting. That's the first method. Like the second method is through the seed that I show you. You buy the seed, the onion seed, you do nursery, the normal nursery. Thank you. Good afternoon all. Happy Sunday. I believe majority of us are back from Sunday service. We are now ready for transplanting of the onions. You can see that all of them are sprouted. So we are now taking them into the permanent site. So you will see my children picking them first into the bowl so that we can take them, pick them one by one into the bowl. You can see, show it to them. You can see the root. The root has really come up. The root has really come up for planting. So you can see the root has really come up for permanent planting. So we are taking them now to the permanent site for planting. All of them are sprouted. So I want to demonstrate to you now how you will plant them into their permanent place. Thank you. To start replanting, you want to start replanting. We've already loaded sand into the bags. You can see all the bags. The bags we are using, I said 1/4 of the bag. So we've loaded. So put them. Let the roots go down. It's okay. Let the roots go down. 4 can contain in a bag, because onions doesn't scatter. They only bring one bulb at a time. So 4 can contain in a bag. So the minimum is 4 inches apart. So put like 4 in a bag. Then you will cover it lightly with sand. You cover it. Wait, just let me do it. You cover it lightly with sand. You don't cover the sprout. Don't cover the sprout. You cover it lightly with sand. Don't cover the sprout. As you are covering it, don't cover the sprout. So you cover it like that, and that is all. Continue wetting it. If there's no rain, if there's rain, leave it. Let the rain wet it for you. But if there's no rain, let it wet it twice in a week, and before you know it, you get your onions. Let me show you the one we planted before. It's already coming out. You can see it. You can see it here. It's already coming out from the bag. So that is it. It's as simple as ABC. You don't need to go and pay somebody 20,000 or 50,000 to blend this thing. I'm giving it to Nigeria free of charge. Let us be guided and learn this thing free of charge. I want food sufficiency in Nigeria. I don't need your money. I want food sufficiency in Nigeria. So come and plant the rest. Plant the rest. Let them see how you are planting. Four in a bag. Let the roots go down very well. Let the roots go down very well. Then you cover it lightly with sand and then you continue wetting it. That's all. It's as simple as ABC. Thank you very much. Happy Sunday.
A kú ojúmọ́ o ọmọ káàárọ̀ oòjíire. Àwa Yorùbá ilẹ̀ ọlọ́ràá lọ́lọ́run dá fún wa. Ilẹ̀ tó ṣe pé a nídìí láti máa lo fertilizer kí a tó mú èrè oko jáde. Ẹ rí fídíò tí mò ń ṣe láàárọ̀ yìí. Ẹ rí pé inú oko àlùbọ́sà mo wà. À ń ṣe harvesting àlùbọ́sà lọ́wọ́ báyìí ni. Kò ṣe nọ́ọ̀tì nìkan làlùbọ́sà ti ń hù. Ó hù lulẹ̀ tiwa náà tó ṣe pé yóò dẹ̀ tóbi dáadáa. Ẹ wò àwọn tó láwọn ò ní kó àlùbọ́sà wá láti north. South west nílùú Ìbàdàn lẹ́gbẹ́dá local government ibẹ̀ láti gbin àlùbọ́sà yìí ò ṣe rí. Ẹ wò bó ṣe tóbi. Ẹ wò bó ṣe fine. Lo fertilizer rárá. Ẹ wo ohun tí àlùbọ́sà fún wa. Experiment la fi lè ṣe but ṣe rí n tó fún wa. Ẹ wo result. Ẹ wo àlùbọ́sà ńlẹ̀. Àlùbọ́sà ló lọ tá à ń harvest ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ilẹ̀ ọlọ́ràá nílẹ̀ wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwa youth ká dìde ká bọ́ sóko ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀gbìn ká ṣàgbẹ̀ kóúnjẹ lè bá a sùn wá bọ̀ kébi má pa wá kó má pa ara lé kó má pa ara oko. Atalẹ̀ tún wò ń bí. Ata rodo lẹ̀ ń wò tá a gbìn tó tá a fi ṣe experiment tó lọ jàrá ni. Ẹ wò north ní kọ́kọ́ ni wọ́n ti ń ṣe àlùbọ́sà o. Oko tomato náà tún wà ń bò míì tá a tún ṣe tomato síbẹ̀. Ebi ò lè pa wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká bọ́ sóko. Bá a wulẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan jà kó jókòó sílé rẹ̀ gbogbo ohun tó bá ń produce kó máa jẹ ńlé rẹ̀. Àwa náà ó dẹ̀ máa produce tiwa àwa náà ó máa jẹun. Òun ká kó máa gbégbé àlàáfíà. Òun lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn o.